It is a program that's designed for students who think they may be interested in some type of health science career. The idea is that students leave here either college ready or have something under their belt, some kind of certification where they could step right into some kind of health care job.
I hope that they can graduate knowing whether or not they want to pursue a health science career. I feel that half the battle is understanding what you don't want to do, and I feel like this is a safe, no-cost way to explore and also be ready to pursue a career and be more successful when they get there.
We do a systems approach, and we're in cardiology right now. We're just finishing up on muscles. The first mannequins I got were through a Hillsboro Schools Foundation grant, which was pretty cool, and I was really appreciative, and so I will frequently send them pictures, like, we're still using them, and you know.
One of my favorite projects was building the muscle mannequin, and we used like scalpels to make striations on the muscles, and although it took a lot of time, it was really fun.
We're doing the fresh pig heart dissection right now, and we'll do a brain dissection when we move into the nervous system, which is our next system.
So right now we just finished dissecting pig hearts. The coolest thing was definitely how, like, it was my first time seeing the pig heart, and it was like so interesting, and I did get a bit lightheaded, but I was able to see like everything inside the heart, and I was never able to see that before. And I saw like all the veins and everything and like ventricles, and I just found that super fascinating, since right now we are learning about the cardiovascular system, and we're able to like implement the material that we learned from class and then like see like what's inside the heart and like able to identify everything.
HOSA stands for Health Occupation Students of America, and it's a great program, and here at Century we get to go with a lot of grants, and Ms. Karn specifically works really hard with the people in our community to get us to a point where we can go without any limitations such as cost. Some skills and abilities I've learned is like getting to palpate veins, learn blood pressure. One skill I do think that is most valuable is just learning how to interact with other people. And like for myself, I learned how to study properly and like work ethic, because this class is rigorous. And so just like learning how I best function with hard material and a lot of work to do, it taught me a lot about like how I would manage my time and just like my workload.
We started a few years ago, we started the CCMA certified clinical medical assisting. We now have phlebotomy technician and we have pharmacy technician. And those three have a licensing exam that they take